There are two language versions for NCCQ Atmospheric Consistometer, Chinese version and English version. Introduction to components. Preparation before the test. Add water into the water bath. Connect the plug of power cord to the power supply. Turn on the circuit breaker and the power switch. Curing under atmospheric pressure. Set test time, test temperature and heating time, etc. as required by the test. This instrument can perform two tests simultaneously under different temperatures. Turn on the heater and preheat the liquid in the water tank to test temperature. Prepare the cement slurry according to the formula. Put the mixing paddle into the cup and then pour cement slurry into it, keeping the slurry level no higher than described line on the cup, then put on the top cap of the cup. Prepare the cement slurry according to the formula. Put the mixing paddle into the cup and then pour cement slurry into it, keeping the slurry level no higher than described line on the cup, then put on the top cap of the cup. Put the slurry cup into the water bath and insert the drive pin into the groove of the cup's support sleeve. Turn on the motor, heater and timer switches to cure the cement slurry. The instrument will raise an alarm when the test reaches set test time. Turn off the alarm by pressing the alarm off switch. Turn off the timer, motor and heater switches. Take out the slurry cup and pour the slurry into the container prepared for the subsequent test. Then clean the cup carefully and thoroughly. Consistency under atmospheric pressure. Pour the prepared slurry into the cup and put it into the water bath. Insert the drive pin into the groove of the cup's support sleeve. Turn on the motor, heater and timer switches. The instrument will raise an alarm when the test reaches the set test time. Turn off the alarm by pressing the alarm off switch. Take out the slurry cup and pour the slurry into the container for the subsequent test. Then clean the cup carefully and thoroughly. The slurry cup shall be disassembled and cleaned up when either curing test or consistency test is completed. Cooling function. Supply water through the cooling water inlet. Proper measures shall be taken to drain water through the cooling water outlet. Turn the valve to horizontal position to open it. The cooling water flows through coiler to lower the temperature. Changes of temperature can be observed through the touch screen. Consistency calibration. Install the calibrator, fix its lantern ring on the top cap of the cup, and the limiter shall be held by the torque board after installation. Put on the top cap of the cup. Tap Set button on the top right of the Test Info interface and select Single-Phase Temperature Test Mode. When tapping Reset button, the limiter shall not be kept by the torque bar. Tap Reset button for the corresponding system to be calibrated. Connect the torque bar and weights with a calibration string, then hang a 50 grams weight and a 400 grams weight and tap 9 BC cal and 100 BC cal respectively through the touch screen to complete the consistency calibration. Temperature calibration. Tap the Set button on the top right of the screen, then tap the Cal button on the lower left of the screen. Put the thermometer into the water bath and take the reading of the thermometer. Tap the deviation value button on the screen and enter the thermometer reading. Then the instrument will calculate and display temperature deviation value. Tap Cal button for temperature calibration. When the calibration is completed, tap Return button on the lower right of the screen to return to the Test Info interface.